All right, so let's talk about conversions. All right, and conversion essentially converted one unit to another, and we'll be talking about this in several different slides as well as in several different tutorials. So just keep that in mind. So let's say, for example, before we can convert, a good example would be kilometers to meters. So what is kilo, right? Or what is milli? Let's break some of those down. There's a huge list that you can look at, but I'm gonna primarily concern myself with just a few for now. So we have kilo, which we'll break that down soon enough. We have milli, we have nano, we have micro, we have giga, we have mega, we have femto, we have pico. Uh, those are some primary examples that we'll come across quite often. Okay, so kilo is a big one, milli is another one, nano is, so is micro, giga, mega, femto, pico. Also centi and deci are also pretty common. Okay, so this is kilo, milli, this is nano, this is a little bit messed up, but it's micro. Let's erase that actually. That's micro. We have giga. We have mega. We have femto. We have pico. We have centi. We have deci. Okay, so what does each one of these symbols really mean? So here, this is 10 to the power of 3, 10 to the negative 3. This is 10 to the negative 9. This is 10 to the negative 6. This is 10 to the 9. This is 10 to the 6. This is 10 to the negative 15. This is 10 to the negative 12. This is 10 to the negative 2, sorry, 1. And this is 10 to the negative 2. Okay? So when we're looking at this, if you see any of these symbols preceding some type of unit of measurement, it kind of gives you an idea of how much is actually there, what quantity we're dealing with, can be dealing with several different factors. Okay, so first and foremost, we need to know these and make sure that you have these down. So say for example, I have 1 kilometer. Okay, 1 kilometer is how many meters. Okay, so remember, M in this case is in the context of meters, which is dealing with a certain type of length. Okay, so M in this essence is meters, and we're going to do several other ones as well. So we have 1 kilometer. Okay, and that is technically 1,000 meters. Okay, why? Because this is kilo. This is 10 to the third power. Okay, let's look at another example. What if I say I have 100 centimeters? Okay, this C here represents 10 to the negative 2, right? Assuming my decimal place is here, if I want to do that, I want to go 1, 2. All right, the negative sign means I'm going backwards in this case. So technically, this is 1 meter. All right, let's try another one. Let's do 5, 4, 8, 7, 9, 5, 6, 5, 8. Let's say nanometers, right? So if I want to convert that into meters, right, what I can do is I can take this and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so technically this is 0.5, assuming we want all those digits, 4, 8, 7, 9, 5, 6, 5, 8, right? And this will give me meters. All right, so always check and remember to see what these actually are describing. All right, let's try another one. Let's say, for example, I have uh, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 5, and I'm gonna say micrometers. Okay. What I need to know is that the micro is 10 to the negative 6. And let's say I want to go to meters. If I'm going to meters, I want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm right here. So that's 13.457895 meters. Okay, because I've gotten rid of this now, right? And I'm stuck with the meters. Remember, it's 10 to the negative 6, so it's going to go the other direction. All right.